This is HUAWEI Nova 10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can find your mobile phone number on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then at the very bottom of the page just enter the about phone section. In here find the status field right over here at the lower part of the page as well. Then you gotta go for the network, and as you can see right here, if the SIM card, any of the SIM cards you have installed have its phone number saved into its own memory, it will be displayed right here at the my phone number field. As you can see in my case, as for the SIM card number 1, the phone number is being displayed since it is saved into the SIM card memory, which is unfortunately not the case for the second SIM card I have. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.